Welcome to the tutorial video on using the Breathwrk app. To get started, head over to the App Store and search for Breathwrk. Then, download the app for free. Once downloaded, open up the app on your device. You will then be prompted to select a goal to begin with, as well as sleep and wake times. These options can be adjusted in the future. After this, you will be asked to create an account with Breathwrk. Your account can be created using Apple, Facebook, Google, or an email address. The navigation panel on Breathwrk can be found at the bottom of your screen. It consists of 4 sections. The home page provides a list of your favorite exercises, recommended courses, habits, and popular categories. You will also see an overview of the number of Breathwrk users worldwide. The Discover page allows you to search from a large selection of breathing courses depending on your goal. These goals can be focused on sleeping, calming, energizing, building focus, and much more. The Habits page allows you to create schedules with custom reminders to breathe throughout the day. At the designated time, you will simply receive a reminder on your device with a prompt to begin a breathing exercise. The Me page contains a dashboard that will allow you to keep track of your progress through streaks, levels, and breathing minutes. You may also use this feature to compete with friends and other users in the community. To begin an exercise on Breathwrk, head over to the home page and select an exercise from your favorites list or one of the recommended courses. You may also visit the Discover page and search for a particular topic. Once you have selected a workout, you may personalize it using the Control panel. This panel will allow you to control voice, vibrations, sounds, and visuals. The Information tab provides more information about each exercise, as well as the science behind each method. Once you are all set, press Start to begin. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on using the Breathwrk app. For more information, please visit the resources below.